Here at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2009 Suzuki C50T Boulevard. This is an 800cc mid-size cruiser that Suzuki puts out. Has 21,400 miles and is offered for $44.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is the touring model, which comes with a couple of nice options. Has a passenger backrest on it, saddlebags, nice matching Boulevard saddlebags, and also a full windscreen. This is a great in-town cruiser if you want to head up into the mountains or commute on. It's just a great all-around cruiser from Suzuki. The bike's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change, safety check. This one also got a new rear tire on it, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.